Hey everybody, Stu here with Ukulele Zen. This is going to be a beginner-friendly tutorial with just 2 chords. We're going to sing and play a great folk song down in the valley. At the end of the video, I'm going to teach you a couple of cool country licks, easy stuff that you can put in between each verse. Hope you'll watch the whole video. I'm going to outline some basic strums, and then we're just going to sing and play, then I'll teach those licks. Come on, join in with me. Let's jam. Before we get into it though, really quick announcement from Skillshare. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. Most classes are under 60 minutes with short lessons that you can fit into any schedule. I recently took some creative doodling classes that were so much fun, connected me with what it was like just to pick up a pen and without judgment, make art. There is a link in the video description below to get 2 months free trial membership to Skillshare. Click that link now. It's open to the first 1,000 people who click it. I hope you enjoy your classes and your creativity. Let's get back into the lesson. Down in the Valley is a classic American folk song in 3/4 time. I'm going to be showing you the chords and the lyrics right here on the screen, so please join in with me. If you want to get a printable version of this, click the link below to join the community at Patreon. Thank you so much for your support. Now, the 2 chords you need are G major and D7. Okay, so this works fine on any tuning ukulele. Of course, if you're playing a baritone, you're going to be using different shaped chords, or you can plop a capo on your 5th fret and use these same shapes. The rhythm we're playing is going to be 3/4 time, so let's just review a couple of different ones you can use. Rhythm 1, just strum 3 in a row, 1, 2, 3, but make beat 1 strong, 1, 2, 3, and the other one's weak. This makes your playing so much more musical. Feel it. Move with the music. You can use your thumb, of course, and you can see I'm already dancing with my ukulele. Now, a more advanced beginner to intermediate way of playing this would be to use the thumb on beat 1 and then strum 2, 3 with the index. I love doing textures like this because it really creates an interesting sound and almost sounds like a bass line. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you don't have to change your thumb note. It can be the same note the whole way through. It does not have to be complex to make good music. You can always play some down, down, and up strums in there as well. It's wonderful to not be locked into just one way of playing it. Now the first note we're going to sing is right inside the G chord. Go on, pluck that note right there at the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. It's a D. Down, down in the valley, down. That's the first note we're gonna sing. So come on, let's jam. If you are enjoying this so far, please click the like button. Go on, smash the like button right now. I'll be waiting for you. And if you subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends, sure would appreciate that very much. Do leave a comment below. Let me know what you think and say hi. I wish you well. Are you ready to jam? Let's play. Down in the valley, valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, hang your head over and hear the wind blow. Write me a letter, send it by mail, send it in care of the Birmingham jail. Feel free to harmonize. The Birmingham jail, dear. The Birmingham Birmingham jail. Send it in care of the Birmingham jail. Roses love sunshine, violets love dew. Angels in heaven know I love you. Know I love you, dear. They know I love you. Angels in heaven, they know I love you. Now real quick, let's learn some of those licks I was playing. We're going to play them harmonized thirds. This is playing a scale in thirds. Instead of playing just the G major scale, I'm playing harmonies. Now I'm just going to go over these very quickly. Of course, I give more detailed, in-depth, all tabbed out versions of this and other lessons like this at my Patreon page. So if you want to click the link below, you can join the community there and receive all kinds of extra lessons and extra goodies. Right now, just to go over this very quickly, it's on the second string and the first string, 7th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, open, and then G. This is going by so too fast, then click the link in the description below to pick up your own Vidami pedal. This is a pedal that lets you slow down and loop sections of YouTube videos so you can learn and study. It's a wonderful pedal. There's a link in the description below. Now you may not use every bit of that lick. You may just play hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Just a little bit of it. The next lick I played, again, the same idea of playing the scale, but I'm going to harmonize it using a different harmony, the harmony of a sixth. Okay? There are 6 letters between this F sharp and the D. So that's the 6th fret and the 5th fret. Strings 3 and 1, and then move down here. 4 and 3, 2 and 2, open, open, and then strum the G major. This I'm picking with my middle and my thumb. Alright, you may like to play these 2 fingers, which makes it a little easier to shift to that one, open, and then look, you just go right back there for the G. Practicing slowly, playing each lick as if you're lining up a bullseye. You're in a championship dart game, but there's no pressure. You're just lining up each shot. Practicing this way will lead to more effective learning because you're going to be doing things correctly. Each repetition, you stop. And even if it's not correct, you are paying closer attention. The details aren't going by you at 1,000,000 miles an hour. So go slowly, breathe deeply. You'll find that you'll learn quicker when you go slower. Practice like a turtle, and you'll get there quicker. You'll also be more relaxed, and it can create the atmosphere where your practice chair is the most comfortable room in your house. The most comfortable chair in your house is right in your practice room, because when you sit down on it, it's always relaxing. I hope you have fun placing these into your playing. Remember, there are links below to the Vidami pedal, to my Patreon page. Hope you'll check those links out. Thank you for watching. I hope music is making your day wonderful. This is Stu with Ukulele Zen. Thanks. Have a wonderful day. Wishing you all the best.